Every year, thousands of highly qualified graduates apply for jobs and fail to get a single callback. Their rejection rarely has anything to do with their actual skills. Their applications are swept away by a sudden gust of wind, simply because their resumes are formatted terribly. Hiring managers and automated HR software follow a strict 6-second rule. If a document is difficult to read or the formatting is broken, the candidate is filtered out and deleted almost instantly. That massive failure rate creates a clear opening. We are going to build a side hustle where you step in, fix those failing documents, and return professional, optimized resumes for a fee. By following the specific workflow in this video, you can scale this operation to earn between 15,000 and 30,000 rupees a month. You need zero upfront investment to start. Fixing resumes for friends is a nice favor. Systematizing that process creates a highly scalable, zero-overhead B2B microservice that capitalizes on a desperate market. Canva is an excellent tool to build these documents, but you have to navigate it carefully. The platform offers thousands of highly graphical templates, and using them puts your clients in immediate danger. This diagram illustrates an applicant tracking system. Modern algorithms scan incoming applications for predictable text blocks. When the scanner hits a heavy design, extracted text scrambles into gibberish. Decorative sidebars completely break the parsing algorithm. The system fails them instantly. To guarantee your client clears that filter, you must select a clean, single-column template that relies entirely on plain text. In 2026, a resume has a strict hierarchy of users. It must be perfectly readable by a machine first and a human second. Once your layout is safe, you need to upgrade the client's actual writing. Do not open an AI tool and simply type, "Write a resume." That approach guarantees bloated, unusable, and generic text. This diagram shows the strict 5-part prompt formula required to generate high-quality results. Your prompt must include role, task, context, constraints, and format. Let's apply this to a real-world client. Say you are working with a relationship manager, but their current resume lazily states they sold insurance policies. By feeding the AI the target job description as the context and adding strict constraints to keep the language honest and under 2 lines, you force the system to use active verbs. This prevents the model from hallucinating or fabricating fake facts. The AI processes that original, weak phrase and outputs an aggressive, results-oriented bullet point. Instead of sold policies, you get managed client relationships and drove life insurance sales to consistently exceed quarterly targets. You are not asking the AI to act as a fiction writer to invent skills. You are deploying it as a ruthless executive editor to sharpen the facts your client already has. Before you deliver the document and collect your fee, you must run a mandatory audit. Verify every sentence uses active vocabulary, ensure there are 0 spelling errors, and double-check all contact information. Now we introduce the upsell. By bundling a customized cover letter with the optimized resume, you can confidently increase your fee from 500 rupees up to 1,500 rupees per client. A professional cover letter follows a precise structure. The opening states the target position, the middle connects relevant experience, and the closing requests an interview. This clean layout directly connects past achievements to the employer's needs. Delivering a zero-error bundled package separates you from the competition. It is the exact mechanism that elevates this from an amateur gig into a premium consultancy. Having a perfect product means nothing if you don't know where to find buyers. You have to master client acquisition. Start with your warm network. Reach out directly in your college WhatsApp groups and offer an initial 50% discount to friends who desperately need a resume upgrade for placements. Next, deploy a cold outreach strategy on LinkedIn. You want to specifically target users who have the green Open to Work badge active on their profile, signaling they actively need your service right now. When you send a direct message, play the psychology right. Lead with a witty first line to stand out, and ask for a low-friction micro-conversion, like a simple text reply, rather than demanding an immediate sale. Finally, to scale globally, list your services on a freelance marketplace like Fiverr. With the right optimization, you can charge an international audience $10 to $20 per document. Successfully building an independent income stream relies 20% on the actual document you provide and 80% on your relentless distribution and daily outreach. Let's run the mathematics to validate our target. This diagram shows how the numbers break down. If you secure and complete just 2 resumes a day at a basic fee of 500 rupees each, you will gross exactly 30,000 rupees over a 30-day month. You do not need capital investment to hit that number. You only need an internet connection and highly structured, consistent effort. Once you master this workflow, you can apply these same mechanics to other digital services. On day 20, we will cover a new method to monetize basic language skills. But acquiring knowledge is useless without execution. Your challenge today is to open Canva, select a single-column document, and build 2 sample templates before you go to sleep.